We're Tristan and Shelby.
We're a big family looking for a small change, and after a series of lockdowns in Australia, we're now joining the growing tiny house movement.
We're moving from our house in suburbia to an almost off-the-grid setup, away from the hustle and bustle of the suburbs.
Over the last several months, we've learned how to build a shed, lay some concrete, downsize, and there are many more adventures ahead of us.
Join us in this video as we learn to use the grinder to cut out the doors.
So make sure you like, subscribe, and get notified for all of our videos as we jump into this week's episode. So, as we've learned from our last experience, or all of our experiences really, what we're going to start doing is upgrading our tools. So last time we were using a circular saw with a grinding disc to cut through the door, which worked out well. There's a lot of kickback. So today, with a little bit of advice from Mickey from Bunnings, what we're going to look at doing is cutting the container with an angle grinder, probably a little bit better than using a circular saw with a grinding disc. And we're going to cut into the wall or the doorway and then actually fit the door today is the plan. So we'll see how we go. But yeah, it should be good. We'll see how it pans out. But again, learning from our mistakes, learning that, yeah, we should probably use better tools from the beginning, which just seems logical when you say it out loud. But yeah, let's go. So what we've got today is we got ourselves a Bosch angle grinder. We got this from Bunnings because last time we were obviously using the circular saw, which really is a bit of a no-no. So today what we're going to do is we're going to use this thing properly, not have any kickback, and keep ourselves quite safe. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to have my assistant behind the camera chuck in some discs when he and or she is ready. Magic! The magic of cinema. I'm going to chuck in some of these. That's what that's for. So there's a button on the back in which you press it in to lock it, so that then you can then tighten this up. And that is how the day has progressed. Slowly but surely we've cut through the door. Got my lovely camera assistant, whether it be he or her. But yeah, cut most of the bottom of that off. But whoo, it's hard work, hot work. Literally, isn't this called Hot Works? Isn't that the title of this? Hot Works? Well, it's hot work. Turn off. So did you press record? Just tie the top. You in? What do you mean by in? Are you in?
But that's like more.
Yeah, but not at the top. But I'm not in. Oh, yeah.
Well, it's not an angle.
No, it's cool. Probably go a little bit more up.
Please subscribe next time. Goodbye.